what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for today's new video, we're gonna be learning the double buffalo tap step. But if you haven't seen just the buffalo tap step, I recommend checking that out first. So I'll have it linked below, so check that one out if you haven't learned it yet, and then come back to this video. Okay, but before we get into the video, if you guys happen to like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also be sure to hit that subscribe button. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's learn the double buffalo tap step. So there's only one difference in this tap step than there is in the buffalo tap step. So we have one change. We're changing the step at the beginning to a flap. So the flap is just a brush step. Brush your foot, step. Brush, step. Try it a couple times. Brush, step. Brush, step. Good. Try it on the other side. Ready, and brush, step. Brush, step. A couple times. Brush, step. Brush, step. So that is the flap. So the more comfortable you get with the tap step, the easier it'll get and the faster you'll be. So as we're learning, you're going to obviously take big steps, trying it out slow, but eventually I want it to be smaller and closer together. So it'll look like this. Flap. Brush step, brush step, brush step. So much closer, smaller steps. Flap, brush step, brush step. One more time, brush step. So trying it on the opposite side with the flap, a little bit closer, smaller steps. Ready, and brush step, flap, flap, brush step. Couple times, one more. So that is the only difference from the double buffalo tap step to just the buffalo tap step. So in just the buffalo tap step, you're just doing step, shuffle, lift. But with the double buffalo tap step, we add in the flap, or we change it to a flap. So trying it with all the other steps, I'll break it down still just in case we forgot. So we do flap, and then your other foot is going to do a shuffle, shuffle, and then we lift with the other foot, lift, and we lift it in front. Okay, so that's just a bit of a review from that step. So we change the flap, shuffle, lift. Good, let's do it a few times. So we go flap, shuffle, lift. Good, again, ready, and flap, shuffle, lift. One more time. Ready, and flap, shuffle, lift. Good, so let's try it on the opposite side. Get yourself ready, and here we go. Ready, and flap, shuffle, lift. Again, flap, shuffle, lift. Make sure you lift, it crosses in front. Again, flap, shuffle, lift. One more time. Same side. Ready, and flap, shuffle, lift. So that is the double buffalo tap step. So let's try it again. I'm going to do it on my right side. We're going to just do it a little bit faster, and let's try it 4 times. Okay, get yourself ready. Ready, and flap, shuffle, lift, flap, shuffle, lift, flap, shuffle, lift. One more time. Flap, shuffle, lift. Good. Let's try it on the other side. 4 times. Here we go. A little faster. Ready, and flap, shuffle, lift, flap, shuffle, lift, flap, shuffle, lift. One more time. Flap, shuffle, lift. And similar to the other tap step, you can also travel with this step. So I'm going to take it to this side. So every time you do your flap, you kind of take a little step further to whichever direction you're going in. So my flap is going to my right. I'm using my right foot. We'll be traveling to our right. If you're doing your flap to your left, you're traveling to your left. Whichever way you do your flap, that's where you would travel to. So I'll show you guys. I'll do it 3 or 4 times, however much space I have here. You can try it with me. So we'll go nice and slow. Ready, and flap, shuffle, lift, flap, shuffle, lift, flap, shuffle, lift, flap, shuffle, lift. And let's try it on the opposite side. and I'm using my left foot, so I'll be taking it, traveling to my left. Get yourself ready. Ready, and full left, shuffle, lift, full left, shuffle, lift, full left, shuffle, lift. One more, full left, shuffle, lift. So continuing with the traveling, I'm going to do it a little bit faster, 4 times to my right, and then 4 times to my left. Get yourself ready. Here we go. Ready, and full left, shuffle, lift, full left, shuffle, lift, full left, shuffle, lift, full left, shuffle, lift. Good job. To our left. Here we go. Get yourself ready. Ready, and full left, shuffle, lift, full left, shuffle, lift, full left, shuffle, lift, full left, shuffle, lift. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing again with the travel. I'm going to go to my right and then to my left, but this time I'm not going to say anything. We're going to do it 4 times and get yourself ready. So we're going to try it. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, and. Good job. Last time. I'm going to my left. You go to your left or to your right, but let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, and. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's new video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.